Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial we are going to model this T-joint in NX. Now after modeling this component in NX, the component will look like this. These are the steps I have followed to create this model. Now we will learn how to model this in step by step. First go to the file, new, make sure you are in the model. Our units are in millimeter, choose millimeter, specify the model name and specify the location. Say OK, just say OK. Now, just see the diagram. This is our diagram. For viewing dimension, we're just keeping this file left side. Yes. This feature, first we'll start with this feature. For this feature, we'll create simply by using a revolve tool. Just go to the sketch, front plane, say OK. Now start from here, line, press the roller to confirm. The total length of the line is 64. Say yes. And the diameter is 32. Just specify only the radius from here to here, which is 16. Press the roller to confirm. Now we'll create a inner lines. Take a profile from here to here, somewhere here and here and here. Just close the sketch. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now specify the dimension. From here to here, the dimension is 25 divided by 2. Say no. And this dimension they are not specified yet. And this distance is 18. This one is 18. And this one is 18. Press the roller to confirm. And this line and this line are equal line. Say OK. This dimension is, they are not specified yet. This height is specified it. Just 2 mm I'm giving. Now see, full sketch dimensions are done. Now we can go for revolve. Just finish the sketch. Go to revolve. Use the axis to revolve is, specify the vector. Vector is this one. Now you can see. Just say OK. Now we have created this feature. Then we'll go for this feature. For that, go to the sketch. Front plane. Say OK. For this sketch, we just want to do extrude. For that, just close the sketch, delete it. We just want to create a plane just from here to here. The distance is 32, that is 16 plus 16. Go to datum, at a distance, specify any one of the plane. Yes, this plane, which is a distance of 32. I'm just reversing it. I'm just enlarging this plane to bigger size. Just say OK. Now I just want to draw the sketch here. Just select this plane, sketch, Now it has to be drawn center of the diagram. Take a circle, just draw it here, just OK. Now specify the diameter is 32, say yes, and center distance is from here to here, which is 32. Now simply extrude it, finish the sketch, extrude, unite, until next, say OK. Now we have created up to this, then we just want to make a hole. So here the total length is 16 plus 3.5, total is, we have 19.5. 19.5 minus of 15 will get 4.5. So here just divide 4.5 here and here. 4.5 will give some 2.5 here and 2 mm here. Okay. So this distance they are not specified. This is 2 mm and this is, we make it 2.5 mm. Okay. So now start the sketch again. Just hide this sketch and datum plane. Just go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Say OK. Take a circle. This circle diameter is 20. Say yes. Press the roller to confirm. Finish the sketch. Just to extrude. Change the direction. Here you do subtract. The total extrusion to be subtracted is, this is actually a separate part. What we can do, we'll add this to single one. So 15 plus 2.5. 15 plus 2.5. Just say OK. Just hide the sketch. Then we just want to remove with the diameter. So take a sketch again. This surface, say OK. Take a circle. Here the diameter of this hole they are not given. That is also we considered to be 18. Just make it 18 mm diameter. Just finish the sketch. Extrude. Change the direction. Make it until next. Subtract. Just say OK. Now we have created the complete model. This is the full model. If you want to see the section view of our model, just go to the insert or menu. Here you can go menu, views. There is an option called section. Just go for clip section, then menu, insert, view, section. Now you go for edit section. Now it is automatically taken one of the coordinate. Just go for X. Yes. Just orient the view. Just go for the front view. Yes. So this is the sketch we have created. I hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.